excuse my dirty, disgusting airplane travel self, but we got upgraded. We were only supposed to have a studio. We did it through our DVC points. We were only supposed to have a studio, like deluxe studio, because it's just the two of us. But apparently we got upgraded to a 1-bedroom villa, and I realized that once I clicked on the app and it said your room type was a 1-bedroom villa. So what? Thank you, Disney. That was an amazing surprise. We were definitely not expecting this, and we're not like planned to have an upgraded room. But we're gonna show you guys, I guess instead of a studio, I'm gonna show you guys all the pros and cons of staying at the Boardwalk at a 1-bedroom villa. And you guys will get to see that, and we'll do a little tour of the resort and the room. But okay, let's start from the entry. Okay, so we're at the entrance. Hello, we just got off a plane. Hi, bear with it. Got a giant closet. I like this, like, you got key holders, but they're like so low. Like purses. It's like, you can't even hold my luggage. A lovely mirror. You can OOTD yourself before you leave. And then more hooks, because apparently hooks are needed. I like this little seating area for 2. Nice little kitchenette, old school. Got white appliances. My interior design self goes, ugh. That's okay. It's okay. It's part of the theming, I guess. They do look like ancient though, but that's okay. Wow, like a tiny half cabinet. Oh my god, it really is a half cabinet. For perspective, it's like 6 inches. Maybe 9 inches. This is way to make space, Disney. You guys did plan this well. Got a dishwasher, full sink, all the goods. Got your Disney Resort channel going. A funny little kind of bar area. And then couch clearly folds out. The queen. Oh, fun little roller coaster stuff. Chair. The balcony. Gorgeous. Gorgeous little view. I guess if you had a 5th floor, goodness, your views could be great. And you can also have views of the boardwalk where you might be able to see stuff over at Epcot. This would be a lock-off. So if you had a lock-off suite, it would be the other side to the other room, but we don't have a lock-off. So that is not ours. And then let's see, you said in here, excuse me, there was a washing machine, nice, washer dryer unit. And then you have the bathroom. Here, let's close. Oh, I don't know how to close these bifolds. Perfect. Cute bathroom. Got the nice shower, la toilette, huge pedestal sink, like huge. I guess you can just put all your supplies up there. I always have to like load it up with all my stuff. And this is what's funny about boardwalk units is all the bathroom is the same, like, but you do have a bigger vanity area in here. So this is like the master door, but huge bathtub that opens up because for some reason that was a thing that we liked. I don't know who liked it, but somebody did. Here's our closet. Nice. Security, perfect. Always need those. And then, let's see. So this was the door. You can see it's like a roundabout. Like I can walk in a circle around into the bathroom, into the other bathroom, into the master. Very strange, but that's okay. It makes it feel big. And then you walk in, giant king bed. And, oh, got like a little teeny tiny courtyard view. Kind of funny. Nice. Adorable. Oh, they're curtains, you guys. Look at that. Right there. I knew it. I was like, there's no Disney. Where's the Disney? Got some fun artwork, very cute, nice ceiling fans for those who get claustrophobic, like my mom. And then, oh, another balcony. Oh my gosh, you guys, we're just drowning in balconies. Oh, do you guys see what I see? What? Right there. Do you see it? Let's zoom in. Dun, dun. It's the Tower of Terror. What? You guys, how cool. I did not know that you could see that from here. What a great room. We have a Tower of Terror view because we're right in between Hollywood Studios and Epcot, so that's cool. Oh, you can talk to your own people from the same balcony. Actually, if you had anyone, you could literally talk to anybody from any balcony, really. But yes, oh yep, there's the playground. So cool, we have a view of that. I did not even know that. I would have brought my lovely camera, but I did not bring any cameras. We're doing this all on my phone because we're just here for so short of a time. But oh my gosh. So that was a quick little overview of what the room looks like and what you can expect from the one-bedroom villas. Our lovely little hotel Tower of Terror behind us over there. Love it. But yes, amazing view. I feel like you can't go wrong. Is that? I think that's the river. I swear I can see like sparkling water through there. Is that the river? It must be. Like, you know, the channel of how you get to from here to there. Yeah. Oh, it probably is where all the friendship boats go from. It probably is. Oh, hi. Oh, excuse you, rude. I keep looking out the window. I can't get over the Tower of Terror view. I mean, it's right there. Like, what? You can literally, like, sit in bed. Here's my bed. There's the tower. Like, perfect view, all lit up. I wonder if you can see, like, all the Christmas projections. You know how they do that on the tower during Christmas? $10. Bet. Somebody tell me if you guys have stayed here during the holidays, because I don't think I'm going to be back here during the holidays. I don't know. Maybe I like this more than I thought. I don't know. We'll see. This was the room that we were supposed to get, the deluxe suite, where it's just like the queen bed with a queen fold out in the balcony, and then the bedroom and like this like little tiny kitchenette. That was what we were supposed to be in, but magic happened and we were put into this masterpiece. Here's where the friendship boat would pick us up, but we're not taking the boats because we know those take 10 hours to go 10 feet. The boardwalk is so pretty. And then swan and dolphin. All along the boardwalk, you literally have a nice, probably, what did you say, like half a mile, quarter mile? You have about a half to a quarter mile walking distance to Epcot, and then probably like a mile walking distance to Hollywood Studios.
You don't have to rely on any transportation.
Yes, transportation.
You don't have to wait for buses or any lines. You just walk.
Yeah, exactly. You just walk. So it's nice. There's the friendship boats heading off to each hotel. And then they just drop you off right there underneath the Skyliner, which is also at the entrance of Epcot, the back entrance, I should say, World Showcase. Out on the boardwalk, out on the boardwalk, out on the boardwalk. What are they watching? So they do movie nights. I've seen them do this every night. Oh, that's the live action Lion King. Crap, I haven't seen that. They're watching live action Lion King. That's fun. You could see probably from any of these rooms. Watch it from there. So cute. Ooh, bike runners. $25 for a half hour? Jesus. Look at how fun the theming is. So our room is like over in that corner right there. Got like swan and dolphin. right there. But it's a pretty significant swimming pool area. We got the nice big water slide. It has like 3 spins and like the little kid one. Little kid one's like right there. It's a pretty big pool. You got like the bar. It's like a big carousel. It's really fun. You get adult beverages, some snacks. It's just a nice little thing. Very, very cute. There's a nice little map. Here's the gym, muscles and bustles. Decent equipment in there. Well, I hope that you guys really enjoyed this tour of the 1-bedroom villa at the Boardwalk. Definitely a new contender on our list. I didn't think that we were gonna like it because it is an older hotel built in 1996, but I would say it's actually pretty nice. The only thing that we miss is having that extra bathroom like most of the other new ones have, but because it was just 2 of us, it wasn't really an issue. Actually, these rooms hold less people, so a 1-bedroom cannot sleep 5, but it can sleep 4, because you have the 2 here and the 2 in the other room. So something to think about. You do lose 1 person when staying at the beach club in all the rooms. So, you know, newer ones, you can add an extra person because of those like little fold outs under the TVs and stuff like that, and the single chair twin fold out. Yeah, other than that, I think this is a very cute hotel, really convenient to Hollywood Studios and Epcot, and yeah, just a nice overall hotel, and has nice amenities, has fun activities for the kids that can include movie night, pool games. They were like having party music going on last night until 10 o'clock, and yeah, lots of fun stuff going on around here. And yeah, but I guess that bids us adieu for the Boardwalk Hotel because we're leaving. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that, and yeah, now you know what the pros and cons are of staying here, and now that will help you for future trips to the Walt Disney World Resort. So thank you for joining me, and always remember, expect the unexpected. Bye guys.